It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
That looks like something right there. There's another Z. That's beautiful. I'm a big fan of the Z myself. All it says on the back is S. It just says S. It's an infinity. Underground on the windshield. There's another Z. Another Z. 5.0 rolling through. What is going on over here? Nice beamer. Nice pair of beamers. The sun is harsh. Compass. What up, Mr. Compass? So yeah, Roland's on the line, but I'm gonna come over here for sun side on this row, and we're gonna do it backwards. You're gonna get sun side of the truck. Because of the shade, because where the shadows are, I'm gonna shoot him like this. This was actually in Ennis, maybe it was last year. I think he had a remote control truck with a similar appearance. This is an E63 AMG. They're very popular. The E63 6.3.
Careful with your pretty eyes and run with me.
Charger.
Cause you and I are a secret.
Every vehicle that comes into the parking lot has to be filled.
Your skin, cause
it doesn't have to be.
Let's hold our breath. This is so real. Just you and me. Let's escape, girl, tonight. With your pretty eyes and run with me. Cause you and I are a secret. Feel like drift against your skin. Cause honestly, let's hold our breath. This is so real. Just you and me. Let's escape, girl, tonight.
Thanks for bringing it out. Yeah, no problem. Gonna clean it. Mugen with the SF wheels on the windshield. If you know, you know. Mugen. Let's get it. There's the Instagram for y'all. We got some roll-ins. We're gonna get these roll-ins. He's gonna put it right there. Let's watch it. Put it right in there. Pretty freaking smooth. Sun is on the other side. We just got this guy parked. I want to keep him off the curb. this is also happening. There's also the roll-ins that are happening. We have bike roll-ins. So it's kind of hard to watch the show when you get... Okay. Just kind of killed it. That's awesome. Leave my screen. There's a row. They just keep coming. Keep coming. That looks familiar. Same one. And a Z. Alright, there's our rollers. Okay, so we let some time pass. We let the show fill a little bit. So now, there are a few more cars here. Got a request for the wagon. Let's get this whole show. Let's do walk around on the whole thing. I hope I haven't already filmed over here. Tendencies on the windshield. So this is the Tendencies bus. Tendencies row. More. Gotta watch my angles. I'm just doing a walk around in the parking lot just to cover as much as I can. So this one out. The headrests have the BMW symbol on them. They're, I don't know that they're embroidered, but they're, of course there's this thing right here. If you're in the parking lot, another part of the show. This is technically the show. Apologize in advance for my shadow is going to be in all the shots because that's where the sun is at. But it gives you a shot of everything that came to the show today. A walkthrough. Popular. Here's the Sub. This team elevator with the hood is up there. GLI, team elevated. Because we're on limited batteries anyway, I'm just clean. All these people brought their cars to be a part of the show today. So there's actually kind of a hill here, so you can kind of pan. I don't know if the drone's going up tonight.